Two opposing ideologies support each other. It's hard to believe, isn't it? I was also shocked, but that's the truth. These two opposing ideologies are Islam and Marxism. Whereas Karl Marx said religion is an opium for masses, the 21st century communists are fighting against some imaginary bullshits like Islamophobia. But when it started at first, we are going to take references from Arun Shore's book, The Eminent Historians. Arun Shore writes about this in his book that the ICHR, Indian Council of Historical Research, formed in 1972, did a great work to whitewash the cruelty of Islamic invasions in India. Newspapers like Outlook and Hindustan Times also spreaded its propaganda. On 1889, the left government of Bengal decided to remove all the criticisms of Islamic invasion. The books in Bengal praised the Islam and Islamic invasions of India and continuously insulted the Sanatan Dharma in the name of Brahmanism. A huge effort was done to write such a history for Indian students, and many eminent historians, mainly Irfan Habib, had a huge part in it. Arun Shore further says that he was once faced by such a historian named K.S. Sharmali, who told ancient Hindus ate beef and tried to twist the Aurangzeb's massacre. But when he couldn't give any reply to the counters given to him, he started playing victim card in the name of personal attack. Another two Marxist historians, Ram Sharan Sharma and Satish Chandra, as mentioned by Arun Shore, tried to whitewash the Islamic invasion by saying these were just war for power, or individuals doing something, whole religion or culture can't be blamed. But Mr. Shore writes that contemporarily the USSR historians questioned Islam with other religions too. So when all this changed, it started internationally from fall of USSR. The comrades around the world then took the only aim in their life as to take revenge against US. It may be possible that they were inspired from the Marxist historians of India. After 9/11 attack, many strict immigration laws were made by US, which were opposed by the left. After Iraq invasion on 2003, the discussion on Islamic terrorism became a big topic on West, whereas the left were continuously raising issues like Islamophobia's growth. Even the left was silent on incidents like Charlie Hebdo shooting, Jalen's posters controversy, etc. This is because the left are at present trying to use Muslims as their weapon to take revenge on US and other capitalist countries of the West. And recently what happened in Afghanistan has a huge reason for the ignorance of left.